help you fix your problems. It's called Fix Your Life. Call me, 1-800-529-5465.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Yeah, I have a hello.
I'm listening.
Yeah, I have an adjustment. I have a conditional green card. I have conditional green card, so I applied for what is it called? 10 years.
You applied for the I-730 to remove the conditions of your permanent residence.
Correct. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So they gave me extension 18 months.
Right.
After 18 months, they sent RFE that I should authenticate my.
They want to know that you're in a bona fide marriage with your spouse.
To authenticate my divorce, yeah.
Okay, so you got divorced.
No,
You're divorced from Africa?
Yes, from Africa.
Right.
So that what they now wrote that the divorce, because I think my ex husband used his own divorce. We have two separate.
All right. So let me explain something to you. You're from Nigeria?
South Africa.
Oh, you're from South Africa. Okay.
Yes.
What I have noticed in my practice, especially for Nigeria, but I haven't seen it for South Africa, but I don't have as many South African clients as Nigerian, so maybe it's happening in South Africa too, that there seems to be a lot of fraudulent divorce documents coming out of Africa.
Okay.
At least according to immigration. So they are asking everybody to re-verify that the divorce that they submitted from Africa is an actual authentic divorce. Whether you did the divorce, your husband did the divorce, you have to submit something that is authentic, that comes from a court that is recognized in South Africa as having issued this divorce decree. And even so, if your divorce is no good and you say, well, it's my husband's fault, my ex-husband's fault, it doesn't matter. You're not legally married to your current husband. So what's going on with this divorce?
Okay, so now I have authenticated it. I've sent it in. I sent it in, and since last year, July, now I've not heard anything. They just stamped my passport.
Because now, even though you authenticated it, immigration's going to go authenticate it. And they're going to send somebody to the local court in South Africa to verify that this document you submitted is real, and it takes them a very long time to do that. So unfortunately, you're going to wait.
Okay, what of my ex? Do I give him my own authenticated divorce certificate to use for his own adjustment of status?
That's up to you.
Oh, I just want to know if it's legal to do that.
Yeah, you can give him a copy of your divorce. It's his divorce too.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Oh, thank God, Brad. I'm happy. Thank you so much for the answer.
All right. Hang in there.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Let's go to Kai in Chicago. Kai in Chicago. K? Maybe K-A-I?
Hi, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How about you?
Good. What's going on?
I have a 7 years old removal order, and my wife, she got her asylum is approved last year, and we filed for I-730. It's pending for 3 months, and I talked to one lawyer, and can I file for BIA while my I-730 is pending to open my removal order?
Wait for it to get approved first and then open the removal order.
Can I, it's taking, I check on the, USCIS website, it says, it's taking, between 12 months to, 24 months.
You can try to file a mandamus or a pre-litigation mandamus if it's taking a while.
Yeah, it's been only 3 months, but...
Oh, it's only 3 months. You can't do anything. Just wait. You gotta wait. You gotta wait a little bit. If 12 months comes and goes and you haven't heard anything, then give us a call. You can't reopen your case till you get it approved.
Okay. My only chance is to get approved on my I-730, then file for BIA.
Correct.
Also, my lawyer said that like we can file like USCIS counseling, joining with the motion, joining with the council, something like that. I'm not.
Yeah, but then you need to do a waiver for an order to. You would have to do a 212 waiver. Basically, what he's saying is after it's approved, your alternative would be to do a 212 waiver, which is a waiver to re-enter after a prior order of deportation, and then leave the country and go process at a third country to get your green card in return.
No, he's saying that we're not gonna file for any waiver. He's saying that
you need a waiver because you can't return to the United States without a waiver.
Yeah, but he's saying we're not gonna leave the United States. He's saying that the consul from USCIS, he will join us.
That's a joint motion. You're talking You're talking about a joint motion to reopen your deportation case.
He's saying that.
Okay, so you're talking about two different things. Okay, so I thought you said consul officer, meaning consular abroad. So yes, you can go pick up some sort of visa abroad, but you need a waiver to come back. Or you make a motion to reopen your case. To be specific, it is a joint motion where you join with the trial attorney to reopen the case. But you got to wait. You got to wait for the I-730 to be approved. Hold on.
In that way, it's gonna be easier to open my BIA case, right? If the consul joins with us.
If the council doesn't, it's unlikely that it'll be reopened. You need them to do it.
What do you mean? Okay.
You have an order of deportation, sir. Let me put it to you point blank. You have no right to reopen your case. You should have been deported already. You're just lucky that nobody came for you yet.
Yes.
After you get something in your hand that says you're entitled to a benefit.
Okay.
Which is what you're waiting on. You can go back to a judge and say, "Judge, reopen my case." And the judge will say, "I don't want to reopen your case. You have no right to reopen your case." But if you get all the parties involved, the trial attorney, the judge, obviously your side, getting them all to agree to reopen the case, that's when and if nobody opposes it, that's when you have an opportunity to reopen your case. It's called a joint motion. Everybody has to agree or it doesn't happen.
Okay.
You need help. Hold on. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.